What's up, I'm Jer, and this is Dashy. Let's get to it. So the Bookmarks Manager has had an update. We're using the Google Chrome API to pull bookmarks directly from your Google Chrome bookmarks bar into the Dashy Bookmarks widget. So what you can do is move around any of your bookmarks directly inside this widget, and they will be reflected inside of the bookmarks bar. And it works the other way too. If you want to move things around here, it will be changed here. So what you can do is create any kind of new folders that you want in your bookmarks and then drag them directly over into the tab manager and then have a new group. So for example, let's bring this folder, make a new group, and let's change it to test2. Let's add a new tab and let's go to that site. And then let's add one more. And then let's take this folder and bring it back over. And now we have a new folder inside of our bookmarks bar up here and the bookmarks widget right here. So pretty cool. You can also just close these really quickly, and if you want to, you can just bring that over and save the extensions in your bookmarks too. Bring it over here, and now you can edit your folders too. Right click, edit like this, and then you can add, let's put this one in there, and that one, and then hit save, and we've changed that bookmark. So all of those will be in here too. All right, I hope that was interesting. Hope you learned something new about Dashy. See you soon.